Good morning, everybody. This is what happens when you ride in the snow and get onto the main road where it's all nice and packed down on the T-dub. You lose your keys on the road someplace for your truck to get you home. So that happened yesterday. So take this out this morning, and here we got about 2 or 3 inches of snow up here in the Great Northwest, Minnesota. But I'll tell you what, T-dub plowed through it. I let some air out of that back tire, let it get a little bit more rubber on the ground, because some of these spots are slippery as all get out. But good practice for an old man like me. Keeps you sharp. Anyways, you guys have a good, safe day.